so I'm done taking my lunch now and I've not showered. So it's around, I think, 1 something p.m. So I'm about to go and take my shower. I've not studied today too, so I'm going to take my shower, and after that I'll just study and get ready, because today my dad and I will be going out to get new pajamas, like a whole lot of stuff. Okay, so I'm taking you guys with me. I'm just starting the vlog right here, but maybe I'll insert some clips tomorrow, like about my morning routine and everything tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, enjoy this vlog. Yo, I'm still in bed. Like, I'm feeling lazy to get up. I don't know why. We have to leave the house, I think, around 3, and right now it's around 1:45. Ooh, the sky looks so blue. It's so nice. I'm feeling lazy to get up and go and shower. I have to study as well. So, Jesus. I'll see you guys when you're ready to leave the house, okay? So I'm done taking my shower, and I've placed this thing on my nose. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. I think I'll look so good in nose piercings, but I'm scared. I'm not going to get it though. Let me just remove it. I'm crassing. Anyways, my auntie brought me this biscuit. I just opened it, right? And I want us to try it together and see how it tastes like, because I've never had this one before. It is almond biscuits. Let me show you guys. So this is the biscuit, and I just opened it. I've not tried any of it. Yeah. Hey, you're right. You see. So let's just take one and then try it together. Yeah, that one banana. Okay. Okay. I didn't do. So this is how it looks like, the full. And I'm going to finish one line tonight. Well, I like it. Hey, also, I'm all done now, and this is my final look. I'm not really feeling the jacket, but you know, you're just going to get some pajamas and other stuff, so it's no big deal. So I'll see you guys when we get inside the car. Hey, so I ended up changing my jacket because I wasn't feeling the other one. So I'll catch you guys later. My dad is waiting for me in the car, so I have to hurry up. Bye.
Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. Oops, there goes my. Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down. Oops, there goes my. Black girl, if you 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 black girl. girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all the time me cashes. March like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no drilling style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex, cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't wanna receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely.
Hey y'all, so we just left the place and I'm so hungry right now, but I have some watching in the fridge. That's where my mind is. I have some watching in the fridge, so that's what I'll be having for dinner. And we went to get my outfits, like everything looks so good. When we get home, I'll show you guys everything that we got, but I have to take my dinner first and then I'll show you guys whatever we got. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later when we get home. Okay, bye.
My best can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My all the time change. I'm still.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's the next day and I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys my outfit yesterday. Okay, but I'll do that today. So today I woke up, I think around 6 something or exactly 6 o'clock, because right now it's 6:30. So I'm about to go and take my shower, take breakfast. I've already done my cleaning, so I'm going to take my shower, take breakfast, and then show you guys the outfit that we went to get yesterday. And also today my dad, my uncle, and I will be going to Padova to sign some forms and then to tour the place as well. So I decided to take you guys with me. And oh, I nearly forgot this, but my dad said he's going to get me an iPad today. Fingers crossed. I hope he really does get it for me, because I've been wanting an iPad for the longest. I'm always deleting apps to film my videos, edit, and then post. After that I just download the apps again. It's getting stressful. My phone storage is full, so if I get the iPad, I can film on my phone, transfer everything on the iPad, edit on the iPad, and then post it. Like, it's going to make the work easy for me. So I'm just hoping that he gets it for me. Yes, I'll see you guys when I'm done taking my breakfast and ready to show you guys the outfit, because they're so nice. Bye. So let me show you guys the outfits real quick. Okay, so I got these 2-piece sets. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but it is really cute. I love it. And I got this pink straight dress here. It has a slit over here. It's so pretty. Like, both sides has a slit here. And I had this maxi dress, which is also really cute. It is really heavy, so it's good for the winter, And I got this sweater hair trick. I got this sweater as well. And I got this 2-piece as well. It's a crop hoodie and then it's jumped down. Yes. And this is my night wear, y'all. My pajamas. So right now I have 3 pajamas, like winter pajamas. See, it is really heavy, so it's good for the winter. And then I got these as well. Ooh. I don't know if you guys can see the inside, but look. So it's good for the winter, you get it. And the woman gifted me these. I know you all know what this is. Even if you look here, you know what this is. It's a kind of socks that you use to wear your shoes. She gifted me 3. So that's it for the, how can I say? Is it? That's not trying hard. That's the items. I mean, the stuffs we're going to get for myself. So I'm going to take my breakfast now. I'll show you guys the outfits I'll be sending to Padua today. So I'll see you guys later. Okay. Hey y'all. So this is my pants, and then I'll be wearing this top with this beanie. That's my outfit for today. And then this is going to be my sneakers that I'll be sending. So everything check.
Playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can see I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I like when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. This my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me.
Hey y'all, we just got here. Hey y'all, so we are going to take a tram. This is going to be my first time. Oh gosh.
Niggas want to do a tacky. Put the hood on, all the time cashes. Punch you like Bob Saget. Greedy, I can't pass it. And everything to get no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julian style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. You know my ex, cause he validate me. You never check, I don't want no receipt. I ain't get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey. My past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the time changed? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can see I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much. I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my nothing wrong. Third day, pop out the tone. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all the violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. I like when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong. This my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can see I'm blind. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you knew what you want. What you want. little bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading?
Hey y'all, so we are back and I'm so tired and hungry at the same time, but we weren't able to top it over because my uncle had work in the afternoon, so he was rushing. And I'm about to make some fries because I'm hungry. And then my dad said I should get something to eat and then rest a little. After that, we'll go and check if he can get the iPad for me. And then we had no, I got a hair clip as well. I'm going to show you guys a hair clip. The hair clip was like 6 euros. Hair clip keke. Oh, okay. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye. So this is the hair clip. This simple hair clip, like 6 euros 50 cents.
I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime.
Hey y'all, so I've not even finished eating and then my aunt called that she's about to take me out, so I have to get ready. She's downstairs waiting for me, so I'll see you guys later.
It's some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shut down my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, decide what I want. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Get some me time. You doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Hey y'all, so we just got back and I got this shoe as well. It is so pretty. Like, I'm wearing this on Sunday, which is Christmas. I know you guys are going to see my Christmas vlog before this vlog, but it's okay. This is so nice. And then I know you guys saw the dress, but I'll wear this dress another time. But this shoe, I'll wear it on Christmas Day. Yeah.
I love you.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking.
Lavatrice.
Ah, lavatrice vi faccio vedere dove sono. Io non sono di telefonia, però vi faccio vedere dove sono.
Che canzoni sono?
On your phone, iPad, iPhone, there's someone.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic. Say fuck them niggas that you gave me with. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic. Just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. Nah, $8 mic. Turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel.
When we break the code, no way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one out to get the stove. No way. Not one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. What's persuasive? What's persuasive? From 9 to 5, I know it's vacant, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dream the living life like rappers do. Like rappers do, like rappers. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool, they wasn't. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came.
Yeah, we are trying to see if you can get the iPad, but I saw the 10th generation, but I saw it's in color blue and I don't want it. I want either silver or pink. So yeah, we are waiting for my uncle. My uncle said he's coming, so we are waiting for him. I think they have only 2 here. That's what I showed you guys earlier. This one is the iPad Pro. I think this one is the 10th generation, but it's in color blue. I don't want blue. I want either the silver or the pink.
That burn game on, that burn game. Hot sauce all that night, top ramen, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. We never knew. Go at a revenue for the revenue. Go Holly Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shading. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. $8 make just fucking name, bitch. That's just how I feel. Just how I feel. $8 mic. Say fuck the niggas that you gave me with. That's just how I feel. Just
Quelli di nona generazione oppure quello di decima?
Quello di 10,
Sì.
quando vieni,
5,39.
che quanto giga hai?
64.
64, non c'è da 200.
Solo quello da 64.
Yeah, so we just came to this shop to get the iPad because the other one has the storage has 64 gigabytes, and we came to this shop to see if they had like a bigger storage, and this one too has only 64. So I've told my dad to stop and get it for me online because we saw one online and it was 256. That's what I want. So yeah. Oh, this printer is so nice. It's cute. Hey y'all, so we got home I think about 3 hours ago. I forgot to record. Please don't come and fight me. I just forgot. But when we got home, I ate, I did my studies. I've already done studying, and we couldn't get the iPad. Yes, we went to 2 stores and I wanted the 10th generation, but they had it in stock. But the problem was the storage. Both of them had 64 gigabytes, which is too small for me. I wanted 256 because my phone is also 64 and my memory is full. So I can't get another 64 because imagine if I transfer everything on my phone to the iPad. That means the iPad is also going to be full. So we plan on getting it online. And then we also plan on getting a washing machine, but we got that one, no problem. But the iPad is just the only thing we didn't get. So yeah, I don't know if we would do something today or not. If we do anything, I'll update you guys on it. If you don't, that means this is going to be the end of the video. But please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.